If you ask any expert marketer about the best way to make money online, they will say start building your email list and earning affiliate commissions faster than ever, even if you are new to email marketing. Imagine this: you send an email campaign and within minutes you see clicks, conversions, and commissions rolling in. Sounds amazing, right? But there is one thing that is extremely important in doing affiliate marketing, and that is subject lines. So think about it. If your email campaign is sent and nobody opens the email, it's dead right there. But by using proven email subject lines that are powerful and entice people to open your emails, you can guarantee a high open rate, which will produce higher click-through rates and also conversion rates, which will lead to more affiliate commissions. Powerful and proven to convert subject lines, they need to capture attention, spark curiosity, and drive clicks. And today you can get free access to 20 of my best email marketing subject lines completely for free right on this page. As you can see here, I have structured them in 10 sections: curiosity driven, scarcity and urgency, emotional triggers, and as you can see, there are 2 of them on each section. You can get access to them right away for free. And for less than the price of a coffee, you can have access to the whole 100 subject lines that are proven to convert. They have been tested and optimized to work in the most competitive niches, including affiliate marketing, make money online, digital marketing, and with the PLR rights, you can rebrand and resell these subject lines as your own, turning them into a powerful income stream. Of course, you can get access to 20 of them completely for free right on this page. Let's see some examples. For curiosity-driven subject lines, you can say you won't believe what's missing in your marketing. So this intrigues curiosity. This one trick made me $500 in a day. For scarcity, you can say, hurry, only 2 spots left for this offer. This deal disappears at midnight. Don't miss out. For emotional triggers, you can say, are you tired of being overlooked online? The secret to feeling financially free is here. Social proof. 3,000 people cannot be wrong. Here is why. How I helped 100 clients achieve their goals. List subject lines. 7 tools every affiliate marketer must have. 5 ways to boost your email open rates today. Controversial. Why most affiliate marketers are doing it wrong. Stop believing this email marketing myth. Humor. You can say, warning, this email contains dangerous levels of awesomeness. And open this or regret it forever. Just kidding. Maybe. So these subject lines are really powerful. They trigger lots of psychological things that drive the viewer or the subscriber to open the email and see what is inside. Another example, storytelling. You can say how a $5 investment turned into a $500 payday. The email that changed everything for me, and so on. And to have access to these subject lines, please click the first link in the description below this video. And if you think that these subject lines are awesome, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet, and activate all notification. You will get lots of freebies from me in the future videos, and there is actually an awesome bonus that I'm going to show you in just a second. But before that, and for the next email campaign that you're going to send, or solo ads that you buy, or cold emailing that you're going to do, please use one of these subject lines that are proven to convert and get you higher open rates and higher click-through rates and higher conversion rates. Make sure all you have to do is click the link below and get to this page. You can copy the free ones directly from this page here, and if you afford this price here, which is completely ridiculous, you can get access to 100 of them and use any one of them, and you can sell them as well because they come with PLR rights. Now when you get to the thank you page, you can get access to the PDF document with 100 subject lines, or the Word document if you want to make changes and resell it. You can discover more by clicking on these two buttons here, and you will have an amazing bonus actually, which is this document here with PLR rights. It's about 25 low ticket offers that you can sell on Warrior Plus. All you have to do is click on this button to have access to this amazing actually bonus, where here's the sales page of this bonus. This bonus is selling right now for the price of $8.05, so you will get it completely for free if you grab the 100 subject lines. And please, if you see any value on this video or on this document, please don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. And please, if you need help, if you have questions, if you have ideas, please leave them in the comment section below this video. Email marketing is still powerful if you use it the right way. Guys, I have lots of resources on this YouTube channel. Please check them out, and I will get back to you as soon as possible, and have a great nice day.